The Black Queen chants the funeral march. The cracked brass bells will ring to summon back the fire witch to the court of the crimson. Okay, Boomer.
Okay, Boomer.
You ready to blow some stuff up?
Oh, yeah.
I don't know why I keep doing that. Okay, Boomers. We're back at the river park talking about the Black Queen. Jody, what do you know about this thing?
I don't know much. It's got a tiara on it.
It's got a tiara.
So that means it's got to be pretty cool, right? Or that's maybe that's like a full-on crown. That's not just a tiara.
Yeah, it goes all the way around the back.
Yeah, it does. It does. So we got a pack of 6 ball shells, a Sunwing, and we have not shot anything by Sunwing previously. So I'm going to pull these out.
Yeah, let's take a look.
And of course, a cardboard tube. That's never fun with the ball shells.
Well, we're not going to use it anyway,
but you fill these ball shells, and this is what I had heard about these.
Pretty dense.
That's solid.
All right.
That's dense.
So this got some juice in it, we think?
I think so. You know, they have the fake ball shells that have like a little canister in there, and then with the ball wrapped around the canister.
It's like, what's the point?
Right.
I mean, that's just to kind of fill up the tube at that point, I guess.
Yeah.
Give it a way to propel it.
Yeah, I think it's, well, you could just sell them as a mini canister. You know,
yeah.
It's not going to break like a full-on ball shell like these, but because a little bit deceptive marketing. But here we've got a description of each one's different. We've got the first 3 there.
Okay.
And then we've got the other 3, 4, 5, and 6 back there.
Okay. All right. And sunwingfireworkscompany.com. We could go straight to their website if we wanted to.
Yep.
So it doesn't look real colorful in those the effects they're showing, but it's you know what? I don't think I've seen quite that level of time lapse on that stock photography. You're really seeing that tail trail off in the wind on that shot. That's interesting.
Really seeing the tail off. Now in the descriptions, there's colors in each of them. You know, I mean, you've got some of it just says colorful, but some of it says specifically with blue
peony.
Yeah, red, white, blue peonies, and over here I saw some others with blue to red, purple to green, stuff like that.
So we'll just see, right?
We'll have to see, yeah. But
I'm not seeing it in their stock photos though. So I mean, they're touting it on the description, but. And those don't look like any kind of bargain basement stock photos.
No, they don't.
That looks like a nice break. It's just not particularly colorful.
Yeah. So we'll see. I'm not, everything doesn't have to be colorful for me to like it. That's
right.
For sure.
Oh, yeah. There's place for everything, right?
And these look like very, brocade crown type of, of shells. And what I'm hoping for is that we're going to get some symmetrical breaks off these.
Okay, right. Like a nice ball shell.
Yeah,
right?
And Little Boomer told me earlier he had high hopes for those symmetrical breaks.
Yeah, and it sounds like he's kind of a King Crimson fan.
I think he is. I'm sure he is.
I mean, why wouldn't he be, right?
Right. Why wouldn't he be?
Okay, makes sense. What else we got?
That's it, man. We're gonna light these tonight after dark.
After dark at the river park.
And we're gonna see what they've got.
We'll catch you then, Boomers. Hang tight.
All right, Boomers. It's really windy out here tonight, so hopefully the wind is not going to be too much of a problem. But we've got the Black Queen shells here, Black Queen ball shells. Here we go. Let's see if the wind is going to be a problem for us. Oh, that looked pretty good. Nice symmetrical break on that one. Let's try that again. Try the next one and see what's going on. Hopefully we'll get some willows and brocades out of these things. It had a little mine action on it. All right. Number 3. Not much different than a lot of the other ball shells we've seen. Really hoping for something a little bit better. That one was nice. That one was pretty nice. That one had a lot more spread to it. I'm going to move these over. just a little bit so I can see the fuses better. And here we go. All right. One more. Well, that one was pretty nice too, and I do like the mines. Thought we were going to have some more brocade type, willow type breaks out of those. Those were still pretty good though. The Black Queen ball shells by Sunwing Fireworks. Hope you enjoyed it, Boomers, and we'll catch you next time.